Namaste children. You have seen my each and every part 1, 2, 3, 4, everything I've shown you over here. So you can able to see all the work how we have started. This is art integration with the history subject. In this assignment, you have learned how to color on different surface, what to draw. You have to draw a different monuments, culture, dance, doodle art. Then also you have learned a different coloring combinations, background, understanding the value of colors and everything. With the textures, few designs also you can do it on it. This everything you have learned in this one assignment. Hope you understood how to do it and you have done with me the step by step everything. If you have not finished, try to finish in this week to complete and submit your assignment before 8th August. Thank you and have a nice day. Have a great day. Hope you have seen my full umbrella how I have done it. Try to finish. If you have not finished, try to finish before 8th August. This assignment it will go for the CBSE board. So please try to finish and send me your photograph also. Thank you and have a nice day.